First of all, I want to tell you about this Versa Climber. It's very good at what you want to hit on your body parts all in one. This is known as the CL-108H, which is a home edition. Okay, the reason why I'm making this video is because I've gone through frustration of the squeaks that happen here at the bottom pedals. Okay, I know you guys are probably watching this video wondering, okay, so yeah, mine's squeaking after about a minute or so. So this is what the answer is that I came up with. Okay, what I did do at first was oil the heck out of the bottom areas with this super lube, which is recommended from the company. And you can find that also in the owner's manual. So if you want the details on this, just look it up in there, you'll see it there. And the reason why I'm here telling you about it, so you won't go through the same headaches I did. Now the headaches that I was going through, is the reason why I was squeaking so much is because I'm a 5'8" person, 5'8", and I was thinking I need to have this pedals on the middle thread. You see the thread down there? This middle thread. So I ended up putting it on the bottom thread, thinking, okay, that's where I need to be, because that's where it feels comfortable according to my when I'm hanging on it. But it was not the answer. You actually should be putting it, you'll see right there, it has 1, 2, and then a third one down here. I had it down on the third one. Yeah, it might be good for somebody that's like 6 foot something, but I'm only 5'8", so I went ahead and put that in the middle. After that, no squeaks after 10 minutes, so I know that's the solution. And in case you're not sure how to take the pedals off, put your wrench in the back and go downward on both the left and the right. Also, through all the wear and tear that I've been putting it through, you can see that this has a strap and it's got the plastic pieces here. Well, I didn't have the money to buy a new strap, so I went ahead and got a tote out of my backyard, those big old 150 gallon or 300 gallon totes that they use to transport stuff. I had some plastic off of that, so I went ahead and cut it down and made a little washer out of it, and it works fine. It doesn't move. You can see it has the same wiggle as the same one as that, so no issues there. So also with the wear and tear, I've also discovered how to repair this circuit board here. Now my problem was I couldn't turn it on and off, so I couldn't do this. Every time I pressed on it, no power. So eventually I had to call up Versa Climber, the company, parts and repair. So I went ahead and changed this out. So basically it's like one of those electronic strips off your computer. It's like a you'll see it's a ribbon kind of hookup, and all you do is take it off and then put it on. And this is actually it costs $80. You have to buy it from them. This is a sticky, so you can hear it, just a sticky piece. You just take it all off, but you got to take it off carefully till you get to the top. When you get to the top area, you'll see that circuit ribbon strip, and then you have to go through the body of the case and take the strip off. Just pull it off, nice and easy. Put on the new, stick this on nice and even, and then you're good to go, and then you could do your Versa Climber. In case you guys need to do a workout, I've been doing this right here, a little schedule that I put here next to the Versa Climber, and I do a competition on the race mode, and I'll compare right there on this. This is also in the Versa Climber manual. You just have to make a spreadsheet out of it, and then you can follow the height that you did in relation to your total feet. I've also done the program mode, did the same thing. Another challenge that I did, I would compare it to the challenge that I did, which is a Space Needle, and then put the rest across there as well. But yeah, some tips on using this Versa Climber Home Edition. my ups and downs with the mechanical side of things. It might have been because I was overweight. I was hitting 280. I've lost 40 pounds within a year, nice and gradual, using a keto diet and this, and it was pretty good. So yeah, so Versa Climber Home Edition, 1 minute squeaks. Solution is to reposition your pedals, and then you may fix the problem. Also, if you ever take it apart, the cables that go from bottom to top crisscross each other, so they go left to right, the cables underneath, which is these right here. You can see them in there, maybe. Yeah, you'll see it right there, you get the idea. So the cables are in there. Yeah, you see me wiggling it? Okay, those cables there, that will go from your left pedal all the way over to your right handle, and vice versa with the other side. No worries if the left over right over left. You might want to pay attention to that, because there is a positioning down here where the pedals connect. One is slightly forward than the other. Okay, so you can see that how they are. And that's how you relate the cables going up to the top, from the top to bottom kind of thing. Also, if you got to put your like to adjust your platform, you shouldn't be able to lift this up with your foot. If you're lifting it up with your foot and the back goes up, you need to take the back and adjust that bolt back there, because this needs to stay flat. Okay, it does not rock back and forth. Okay, and if it still rocks after you make your max adjustments there, you have adjustments on each corner of the platform as well, right there and there. So hopefully this helps you out, and if you have any tips to add, let me know. I'll put it in along with it. So this is the Versa Climber CL-108H, which is the Home Edition, and have a good day.